那下一位表演者是吴竹云。一睁开双眼，迎接我的不再是冷飕飕的12月，而是暖暖的微风及湛蓝的大海。漫步在沙滩上，真是一种享受。不用硬撑，也能在沙滩上等10秒。从澎湖湾离开的老船长也都来了。
大家掌声好不好？掌声呢？
那接下来就欢迎吴竹云带来的《阳光沙滩海浪仙人掌》。
想要说各位有没有觉得有点热？这个阳光明媚的这个有点热，受不了。
这个椅子太棒了。
And she don't even know it. I don't want you to go yet. And we stand in the morning. Told her, dear, look, you will look into my eyes. When you see your reflection, you'll see what I like. You look good in the morning. And you don't even know it. I know that. Sundress with you on my arm. Take the coupe out the garage, pull the roof back, just me, you and the stars. Toast to the gods, for one, a masterpiece. She a drug that a fast release. Got me sprung, scratching sheets, wake up, fuck, and then we going back to sleep. With the ocean color slugging your iris. We comfortable in silence, but I prefer it when we wildin'. Sundress, nothing underneath as we undress. You can look in my eyes, see I'm some mess. Couple of broken people trying to complete each other under one breath.
哎，大家有没有觉得有点热？有，好热，好热！哎，是过来我前面啦，等着火舞啦，你们来看。好，来。
因为你的沙滩还有海浪很大。